Hi techies, welcome to Tech 5G channel. Today we are here to learn the basics of Windows 10. So let's begin with a question. What is an OS? An operating system is a system software that manages computer hardware, software resources and provides common services for computer programs. Example, Windows, Apple OS, Android OS, Linux. What is Windows 10? Windows 10 is the most recent version of Microsoft Windows operating system. There have been many different versions of Windows over the years, including Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, and Windows XP. While older versions of Windows mainly ran on desktop and laptop computers. But now, Windows 10 is also designed to run equally well on tablets. How is Windows 10 different from other versions? Many users complained that Windows 8, the previous version of Windows, was confusing and difficult to use. As a result, Windows 10 looks and feels similar to the older versions. But still, it includes a lot of new features and improvements. Top 8 features of Windows 10. The first feature of Windows 10 is New Start Menu. Windows 8 uses the Start screen to launch applications, but Windows 10 has reintroduced a more traditional Start menu. It's also been expanded to make it easier to find important apps. The second feature of Windows 10 is Microsoft Edge. This new browser is designed to give Windows users a better experience on the web. It's fast, more secure, and includes a lot of new features. Microsoft Edge is meant to replace the Internet Explorer. The third feature of Windows 10 is Cortana. Similar to Siri and Google, now you can talk to this virtual assistant with your computer's microphone. Cortana can answer questions like what's the weather like today and much more. The fourth feature of Windows 10 is multiple desktops and task view. Instead of keeping your thing open on the same desktop, you can move some of your windows to a virtual desktop to get them out of the way. And the new task feature makes it easier to manage all of your open windows. The fifth feature of Windows 10 is Action Center. The new Action Center is pretty different from previous versions of Windows. For example, it's been expanded to let you access frequently used settings such as Wi-Fi connectivity and tablet mode, etc. etc. It's also where you will see important notifications. So if your computer receives an update, you will be getting a notification about it here. The sixth feature of Windows 10 is tablet mode. Unlike Windows 8, Windows 10 makes a clear distinction between desktops and tablets. If you are using a keyboard and mouse with Windows 10, you will be in desktop mode by default. If your computer also has a touchscreen, you can go into tablet mode at any time. Tablet users can also switch back to desktop mode if they prefer. The seventh feature of Windows 10 is Xbox app. The latest Windows 10 will support Xbox games streaming with improved speed and graphic performance. Thanks to that textual support, the app also lets you record, edit, and share your victories with the game DVR feature, which lets you grab the previous 30 seconds of a game so you don't miss unexpected wins. You will be also able to join your friends in games across Windows 10 or Xbox platforms and see your friends' activity via Xbox Live. The eighth feature of Windows 10 is Unified Settings or Control Panel. Instead of having two apps to control your device settings in Control Panel and PC settings, Windows is making things less confusing. by bringing them together into one. You will be able to manage your device from one place instead of hunting for a specific menu. Thank you, viewers. Hope you like it.